In this video, we're going to show you how to check your wallet balance and how to recharge your wallet. From your profile, click on Dashboard. Here you can see your wallet balance. Click on Wallet. You can see all the transactions here. You can also sort them by income or consume only. If you want to recharge your wallet, click on the Recharge button. Here you can choose the amount of money you want to recharge your wallet with. Please note that there's a percentage of bonus deposited depending on the amount you want to recharge your wallet with. The payment methods available are wire transfer and Payoneer. You can, for example, choose wire transfer, which takes 2 days processing time. Then click on Pay. Here you have all the information you need to complete the payment. After you complete the payment, please attach a screenshot of payment in here. You also can add a description and then click on Submit. If you want to pay with Payoneer, click on it, then click on Pay. Then it will automatically take you to Payoneer website. Here you can log in into your Payoneer account to complete the payment.